Inverroche exists to start conversations about whom we truly are and what it means to be human. We are one tribe and we are all African. And the solution to our survival as a species today lies in the hands of women, as it did millennia ago. Homo sapiens survived here at the southern tip of the African continent because of the abundance of food and because we learned to communicate, share our resources, labor, and especially to collaborate. But this tale of our ancestors is about so much more than just survival. It is also about the role women played in the evolution of human culture and how language and the first sparks of creativity led to the development of abstract thought and technology, which has taken us to the moon and beyond. And so what has this got to do with my brand? The inspiration behind my brand was the discovery of a place that every human alive today may call home, and how our close connection to this environment shaped human culture. I discovered that women were the first healers, scientists, chefs, and ambassadors, and that women were drivers of change. And I knew that this was a story that had to be told, especially now as we stand on the threshold of a cultural shift to reclaim our role as change makers. 70,000 years ago, women just like us walked along the shoreline, foraging for edible plants and collecting shellfish in the intertidal zone. Women are dependable economic contributors from our species' inception. And on most days, we could have brought in the lion's share of calories, carbohydrates, and protein. And after all, food is a necessary factor to ensure that the success of our procreation and the survival of the next generation is assured. Women like to talk. We always have, and as we discovered new plants and shellfish along the shore, we needed different sounds or words to differentiate between a deadly or a delicious thing, and share that knowledge with the rest of the tribe, especially as we sat around the campfire, sharing our food and telling stories. Food lies at the root of human culture because it binds and connects us to each other. Our quest for new flavors spans millennia. Spices and exotic botanicals also grew the trade routes, connecting cultures across the globe. And using those same delicious aromatic plants which contributed to our survival and development as modern humans, those very plants that our grandmothers discovered and used for nourishment, medicine, ointments, and almost certainly perfume, I used this and created a luxury brand and a product range infused with history to share, to start conversations, and to chart a course for a female-forward vision of Africa. Inverroche exists as an instrument for change. Inverroche is made for sharing.